Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start with power. Turn the key to ACC or start the car so the wiper motor is live. Next, use the right hand stalk. Twist the end for intermittent timing and push the stalk down 1 click for low, 2 clicks for high. Pull the stalk toward you to spray washer fluid and trigger several wipes to clear grime. Once done, make sure your hands return to the wheel and observe the blades sweep smoothly. You're now operating basic wiper functions safely. Now refine control. Adjust the intermittent delay by twisting the stalk end, shorten it for heavy mist, and lengthen it for light drizzle so you avoid constant noise and wear. For the washer, hold the pull for 1 to 3 seconds to saturate the screen, then release to let the wipers complete their programmed sweeps. Repeat sparingly to conserve fluid. If your Dzire has a rear wiper, use the dedicated twist or button. Make sure you only operate it on wet glass. Finish by switching the stalk to off and confirm the blades return to their parked position at the base of the windscreen. If you'll be parked, lift blades off glass in freezing weather or replace blades every 6 to 12 months when streaks appear. Use a lint-free cloth and washer fluid to clean blades. If the wipers don't move, listen for motor noise. If silent, check the fuse and wiring and make sure the arms aren't jammed. Those are the fastest checks to get you back on the road.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.